Alright, so I'm just doing some tires here, and this is the tire I'm taking off. It's Michelin's. They're on the wear bars, but the tires I'm putting on let's see, these are not directional, so I'm just looking for DOT. I always put the DOT sticking out. Uh-oh, TPMS is right there. That way you'll never hit the TPMS doing it this way. Let's go with that. Okay, it's got this tire on, right? And you have this massive opening, so how do you seat the bead, right? No matter what you do, you got this giant gap. Even if you do that, it won't seat the bead. So what do, right? Introducing the Bead Bazooka. I'll put a link in the description if you want one of these. This is great. If you're a tire shop and you do tires all the time, and you can't get the beads to be seated. It's also not too loud too. Close the valve. That's it. Watch how easy this is. Actually, I'm not gonna even like angle it one side. I'll just do this. All I do is, hope you ever see it, and you seat the bead and that's it. Perfect tool if you're at a tire shop and you can't seat beads it's got a big gap. You can't seat the bead because it doesn't take up the space between the rim and the tire of the bead. So yeah, here's another one. It's got a big gap, right? All you need to do is get the bazooka, hold it. This is all you need to do. So put a link in the description if you want one, but if you're doing a lot of tires, this is great. Makes doing all 4 tires pretty easy. You don't have to struggle trying to seat the bead. So this thing is pretty good. Had no issues with it. It's been a blast, literally a blast doing tires with unable to seat the bead. It's got a nice little trigger button on the handle. You can probably hold this with one hand. You can probably use this for the toilet when you clog it if they make an adapter. This thing, the top part actually twists off. Let's see if we do that. Yeah, it twists off. So you can change the adapter. But I don't know if they make a toilet one for it.